Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to dispose of old paint. First thing you want to remember about disposing of paint, you might want to check with your local or state regulations as far as disposing of it. It may vary from state to state. I know down here in Texas, one method you can use to dispose of paint is all you have to do is you just need to remove the lid, open the lid, let the contents of the can completely dry solid. It can't be just dry, a top layer on the top and liquid inside the can. It's got to be completely dry. Once it's completely dry, you can just throw it away in your trash. You can just dispose of it, and they'll pick it up, whenever your trash goes out. Another method of disposing of your old paint is you can take it to your nearby paint store, and they usually offer a service where they'll use it to recycle paint, or they'll dispose of it for you. There's usually a charge to do that. So usually a lot of times most people just go ahead and take the lid off and let it dry completely.